The next topic, transport in plants. How to transport in plants? Xylem vessels and phloem, vascular tissues, know their positions and functions within a dicotyledon's leaf and stem under light microscope. Then root, understand its structure and functions, facilitate water and ion uptake. Then, movement of water. Briefly explain the movement of water from the roots to the leaves through the xylem vessels. Define the term transpiration. Understand that transpirations will help to move the water upwards from the roots to the leaves. Create a water potential gradient. 4 factors affecting transpiration rate. Just recall on photosynthesis. The basic photosynthesis listens light energy, carbon dioxide, and releasing oxygen, glucose, then water. Xylem, a long hollow tube extending from the root to the leaves. Dead tissues, long and empty lumen, water transport. Then walls are thickened, strengthened with a lining, mechanical support. Then functions. What are the functions of xylem? Conducts the water and dissolved minerals from the roots to all other parts of the plant. Provides mechanical support to the plant due to the presence of lignin. Then adaptations. Have a continuous lumen without any protoplasm within 2 hinder transport of water. 2 dissolved minerals having lignified walls which prevent collapse of the vessels. Then phloem. The structure of phloem consists of column of tubes, sieve tube and companion cells. Sieve tubes are separated by sieve plates. This is a sieve plate for phloem. Phloem conduct the food. Then organization of vascular tissue in root. Vascular tissue, cortex, piliferous layer, root hair. Then functions anchor the plant, specialized absorptions of water and dissolved minerals. Then adaptations, long and narrow, increase the surface area to volume ratio. Cells are alive, provide energy for active transport. Root hairs have cell sap of higher concentrations than surrounding soil solutions. Cell sap contains sugar, minerals, salts, which helps to prevent water leaking out of the cell. Assist is osmosis. Next, transport structure, students. Leaf, stem, root, leaf, xylem and phloem, stem, phloem, root, xylem and phloem. This area is the section of leaf, stem and root. Then transport of water, students. How to transport of water to plant? Leaves, stem cell wall, xylem cells, then root, water molecule, root hair, soil particle, water. Then phloem structure consists of sieve tubes and companion cells. Functions transports manufactured food from leaves to other parts of plant. Then sieve tube consists of columns of elongated thin-walled living cells called sieve tube cells elements. They have cross walls with many holes or pores, sieve plates. Each sieve tube has a companion cells. What are the adaptations functions of phloem? Transport manufactured food, sucrose plus amino acids from leaves to other parts of plant. Adaptations. The companion cells have many mitochondria, so the active transport. So the phloem is an active transport. See the picture. Xylem transport the water and minerals from the root hairs to the shoot system. It is made of many hollow dead cells joined end to end of which the end cell wall has disappeared to form of a long tube. Xylem vessel contain no cytoplasm or nucleus. Xylem tissue is made of cellulose and lining, which is results assist to keep the plant upright. Then transpirations, the evaporations of water from the plant, most of which takes place from the leaves through the stomata. The guard cells around the stomata control the rate of transpirations by opening and closing. Then what is transpirations? Stomata, guard cells, length, width. Transpirations of water through a stomata. Guard cell, mesophyll cell, stomata. Evaporations of water from a macroscale surface. That is a transpirations of water. See the students. Xylem, the structure of xylem, trachea. This is a structure of xylem. What is the main function of xylem and phloem? Xylem conduct the water, transport water to plant. Then phloem transport to food. Okay, that is a main difference of xylem and phloem transport. The phloem transport transport to plant to food. Xylem to transport water. That is a mainly difference between xylem and phloem transport. Okay. This is a stomata on a maple leaf. This is a stomata. The leaf on the surface area contain the small pore-like structure is called stomata. What is the main function of stomata? The stomata's main function to transport of water, evaporations of water. That is the main function of stomata. The stomata have contains the guard cells. Okay, the guard cells. Transpirations of water through a stomata. Okay, so the evaporations of water from macro scale surface, the guard cells, mesophyll cell, then stomata. Okay, thank you students.